Welcome back. We're continuing the news. A 10-member group formerly of Parliament's Gender Advisory Committee is seeking a meeting with Portfolio Minister Olivia Grange to discuss concerns over the handling of the George Wright domestic violence matter. In a statement last week, the Jamaica Labour Party said Mr. Wright will now sit as an independent member of Gordon House, even as the police have dropped their investigations. But as Giovanni Dennis reports, the group wants more action from lawmakers.
Police investigators have ended their probe into this video of a man beating a woman, but public outrage continues. Outrage because police say the man seen in the video is a member of Parliament. A 10-member group which formed Parliament's Gender Advisory Committee, GAC, up to January this year, is now adding its voice to growing discontent from stakeholders. Joyce Hewitt is Executive Director of Woman Inc. and a former GAC committee member.
This is an issue that has been with our society for such a very long time, and it's not getting any better. It's getting worse. And when you have a member who is a part of our parliamentary, these are the people who make our laws. They should be the first persons who ensure that the laws are not broken.
And so, the group is now seeking to meet with Gender Minister Olivia Grange to push for bipartisan parliamentary action.
Instead of relying on the woman, as the police would do, to say, if she doesn't pursue the case, then there is no case. It is now a case, it should be a case against the state. So even when the woman, for the variety of reasons that we know why women don't pursue the cases such as this, it becomes a matter that the state take it on and pursue it.
Jason Downer is president of Men of God Against Violence and Abuse and also a former committee member.
We won't just take it that charges are dropped. There are some moral and some legal. It's not just a legal matter. And we believe that you must be held accountable, especially when you're in a public office. And it goes further than just political office. It can be even in a church.
The group wants a special select committee of Parliament to be immediately convened to find solutions to gender-based violence. In the meantime, Ms. Hewitt believes the outrage from parliamentarians to the video so far is paltry.
I haven't seen them. I haven't seen a lot coming out of some of the female, or any of them for that matter, male or female, in terms of any outrage.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.